What if every breath quietly influenced your thoughts before you even realized it? Your nose is far more powerful than you think. Your nose detects tiny airborne molecules and instantly sends signals to brain regions connected with emotion, memory, and decision-making every day. Unlike sight or hearing, smell reaches emotional brain circuits incredibly quickly, helping explain why certain scents trigger immediate feelings. That's why the smell of fresh cookies, coffee, or rain can suddenly bring back vivid memories from years ago. Scientists also found pleasant scents may improve comfort, focus, or mood, although results vary from person to person naturally. Strong unpleasant odors can quickly trigger caution because your brain evolved to recognize possible dangers before conscious thinking begins. Smells can influence your emotions and attention, but they cannot completely control your thoughts, choices, or personal decisions alone. Next time a familiar scent changes your mood, notice how your brain responds. Like, subscribe, and share for more amazing science.